What's up my brothers, my name is Graphings and today we're going to draw Mr. Freaking Beast his logo. Let's go. You know, Mr. Beast is one amazing brother. That's why it's my honor to make him this sweet ass doodle logo. Alright, the outlining is done. Now let's take a quick break and watch some anime. I love anime. Wait, brothers, this is not what you think it is. I'm not some kind of pervert. These series are just freaking awesome. Smack the like button if you love anime. Alright, let's go eat some fruits. Wait, who did this? I just lost my appetite. Or maybe I'll just take this. That was one delicious pineapple. Delicious. Now let's add some delicious black lines. Okay my brothers, we're all done with the inking, but now we need to ask the doodle gods for some help. These doodle gods are super nice. They added these sweet doodles in my drawing. Oh my god, it looks awesome. By the way, I just reached 1K followers on TikTok. Thank you Pineheads, you guys are the best. Alright, let's continue to drop our doodle on the computer because we're gonna add some sexy colors on it. I flipped through a few colors for the background to see what color works best on this drawing, and yeah, I think I'll just stick with white.
Cause that's the only way we can go. Tell my mama that I'm okay. See the money coming through the doorway. Got a bad bitch with a lot of money, that's foreplay. Okay.
Whew. Oh my god, that was one heck of a doodle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to punch the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll say, peace, you're awesome, and I'll say, until next time, brothers.